Hi, thank you so much for being back on my channel. And this channel is for you if you want to learn marketing from scratch, build online business, or simply master your mindset. Today's topic will be quite tricky one, and it's something that many people are afraid of, and it's SEO, so search engine optimization for your marketing. So let's discuss. So as we all know, Google is quite tricky because we can actually invest a lot of money and that will be like a drop in the ocean. You won't see all that feedback that you are expecting. So until you will find what is working for your business, that will take some time. But this is why I'm saying that you need to taste it like many things in marketing and see what is working. Like Google is supporting those businesses that is giving out like good content relevant to your business, and then the traffic is going to your website like more. And yes, but Google is taking a lot of our time, attention, and this is why maybe you should think also not only Google on like Google ranking, but also different tools. So yes, let's discuss. So my tip number one to your business, online business, would be friends with Google Analytics. There you can see your big data, big picture and small picture. You can see every single page, how it's doing, like its ranking, its bounce rate, like how long time people are actually staying at your online store and which pages are doing well. If you are creating some campaigns, how they are doing. So yes, you should always check. I'm not saying that you need to be there every single day, but let's say you are creating some campaign for your business. Just check out which banner is clicking like better than other one, which content is more favorable to your audience. What is that thing that it takes your traffic to your blog post or to your website? So be smart with analytics and use that wisely. Another great tool that you can use is keywords. So you can go on pages in Google Analytics and just see keywords. So what you do, you are exporting these keywords and then you download to your desktop. By doing that, you can work with them actually, and then when you will analyze that, because this data needs to be analyzed, and just then you will see what is working, like if it's these keywords in your meta tags, or if it's in your articles, what is working. You need to see which keywords are driving traffic to your websites, your blogs. That is so important and relevant. But always analyze data that you are gathering. And again, use Google Analytics at least once a week, once every 2 weeks, and analyze this data, because as I said before, Google is changing its algorithms daily. And maybe you don't need to do it like every single day just to analyze it, because otherwise you won't be able to work. But just see what changes are occurring and what changes you need to be doing on your website accordingly. So yes, be smart with the data and work smart, not hard. When you updated your SEO, so your content, it's actually suggested that you are checking out how is your changes are doing like every single 2 weeks. And I'm not talking about analytics here, I'm talking about your blog or your website, because changes are taking some time. So every 2 weeks, and then if you have changed some content, it takes up to 3 months until you will find or you will see some noticeable changes. So yes, check this out, work with this information smartly, and bear in mind that every single change, it takes some kind of time, especially online, until you will see visible changes or just small changes for your business. It's actually weird because Google is always forcing us to create quality content and give out only good material. But there was like experiments made back in 2019, and what happened was one website was giving out that was like marketing agency, and they were actually giving out very good quality content without optimizing it. and it didn't hit a ranking at all. So the quality content is essential for Google, but you need to also optimize it. But also those articles which are packed with the keywords, they're too heavy for the Google, and Google also recognizes this kind of like activity from people. So yes, you have to find this balance and just give up, but just by giving out quality content with like optimized and with adding like useful and good relevant keywords, it actually can help. And yes, relevant keywords and consistency, that is very good combination. There are companies who are doing actually quite well by advising other companies how to use and how to work with the search engine optimization on Google, because that is quite expensive thing, but is a necessity. So small and medium-sized businesses are using SEO, and they have their SEO strategy. Huge and big companies are also doing the same, they have strategy, but all these companies, they have something in common. They are doing all these three things. So first thing, each company is finding relevant keywords, and these keywords are all the time examining. So they are doing these analytics and they are carrying out this analyze where they can see, and they're watching like how traffic is changing, taking into consideration used keywords. Keywords are a must, and it's quite expensive. It can be expensive because we have also organic traffic, but these keywords, it is driving traffic to our website. Another thing that companies is using is backlinks. Backlinks is a must, but also use always relevant. Just don't give out all the time these backlinks just for the sake of using them. This has to be relevant. And also there has been cases when Google is like blocking or these backlinks simply because it's just stuffed without any purpose in the article. And the third thing is companies are examining broken links and broken errors on their website, and they have to fix it. So yes, when you have all these three things done, apart from many marketing tools that you should be doing online, these are three strategies that companies are using in order to score higher on Google. So yes, search engine optimization is like a game, and only time and results will show if you are winning or you are losing. So let me share with you how I tend to work with my clients and drive traffic to their blogs and websites. So first thing is blogging. So yes, blogs, we are sharing with our audience really valuable content. So, or it's IT service which is one of my clients. Another one is mail subscription service, another my client. Then is I have various clients, and I really do research before give out some content. So yes, I always try to be valuable to our audience. Then secondly is affiliate marketing. So no comments about that, we all understand what it is. And thirdly is crosslinks. That actually worked a lot in our favor, and this is how we built our audience also. So yes, but I tend to go into Google Analytics and really analyze those numbers and just see what is working, what's not working, how long time clients are spending their time on our pages, which page is doing better than other one, and we are thinking about attracting clients and keeping them on our website. So yes, these were my tips besides Google Analytics. So thank you so much for watching this video with me. What can I say? Google will do all things possible and use their tools. They're really powerful, but they will use their tools to keep us online for longer hours or minutes. Google tasks, like number one is asked to click on Google Ads. This is how they earn money, which is understandable. what can I say from my side? We need to stay relevant to our business, like to our message. We need to always remember our why we started this business in the first place, why we are on this platform, what is our message to our audience, and really be useful and target our audience smartly. So yes, I hope this topic was interesting to you. If you have some questions, please ask. And I will see you in my very next video. Bye!